Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to solve TikTok photo swapping not showing. If your TikTok photo swapping is not showing, please come to this place. Come to my video, come and watch this video so that you will know how to handle such things. So this is what you have to do. Tap on this plus icon. After opening your account, tap on the plus icon, tap on upload, then select the number of pictures that you wish to upload. I'm sorry. Let me plus so that I can be able to select. Let's do this. Okay. So um so for me to know if it's swapping, it's supposed to be moving. So my is swapping. That is what it means. My is swapping. Can you see it? But in case if yours is not swapping, this is what you have to do. In case if yours is not swapping, this is what you have to do. You have to go to your profile. Let me cancel this. Okay. Go to your profile. When you get to your profile here, tap on the three dot at right corner of the screen. Tap on settings. When you tap on settings, tap on let me look on it. Free up space. Tap on free up space. Then tap on clear catch. Tap on clear catch. Okay. By this way, if yours is not swapping, it will swap. But if after clearing your coach and it still continues, don't. But if after clearing your coach and it still continues, what you have to do is this: go out from your TikTok, tap steadily on your TikTok, uninstall it. Then after a few minutes, like 10 minutes, you install it back. That way, it will start working properly. Also, you can also make sure that your TikTok is updated so that it will have those feature of swapping and other features in it. So guys, that's it on how to switch swapping not working on my TikTok or on your TikTok. If this video is helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to leave a comment at the comment section.